Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw Giblet with my iPad. So grab a pen and paper and let's start. First we're going to do his left eye. So draw a line down there and there. From this series they always have that kind of squared off eye. So draw that shape and then with the eyebrow bring it down and over just like that. Bring it up on that side and then make the left side of the eyebrow a little wider and down just like that. Okay, same thing with the other eye, up and over, and just like that. Okay, and then we'll have the squared off eye over there as well. And then we can do 2 round pupils on each eye with little lines right below. All right, for his nose, it's just gonna be pointed out like that. And his mouth will just be a line. All right, let's do his head. Bring it down and over. And then down like that. Small squared off chin. Same thing for the other jawline. All right, we're gonna give him a little bit bigger ear on this side just for proportions. With the earlobe being really kind of whatever you like. I'm gonna do mine just like that. All right, let's do a little line below his chin, maybe a line up, 2 lines up above. Let's zoom out a little bit so we can do his hair. All right, so for his hair, we'll bring a strand that comes down like this, up and over, do his hairline that comes over like that. And let's go ahead and just bring that out like that. We're gonna probably go off the page a little bit, but that's okay. We'll just do the best we can. With his hair, it's gonna just have these strands that go off just like that. All right, let's add in his neck just to finish it off. And we'll have him finished up. Thanks for hanging out. If you want more simple drawing tutorials, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you'll see the next ones that I do, and especially ones from Dragonball. So until then, thanks again for hanging out, and I will see you guys next time.